Example misleading statistic. 2. Salary ABC comparison claim the average salary for its employees is more than $16,000 while the average salary at XYZ Incorporated is only $25,000. Use the table to explain the reasoning and determine where you would prefer towards. ABC Court XYZ ins. Mean salary ABC Court $61,817. XYZ ins $36,413. Median salary ABC Court $15,000. XYZ ins $25,000. ABC comparison with the mean to represent its offered salary. They use the median to represent the offered salary at XYZ ins. Plus, you could be a president or vice president. It will be better to work for XYZ ins because its 20 less point employees are all better point than any four of the 20 less point employees at ABC comparison. Skill and comfort checks. 1. Writing word. Describe the way in which the presentation of data can be misleading. 2. Open-ended. Find an example of a graph in a newspaper or magazine that could be considered misleading. Guided practice. For exercise 3 to 6, use the graph at the right. It shows the price for natural gas carried by an Leonese natural gas supplier. 3. What trend seems to the level in the line graph? 4. What problem might there be in using this graph to bridge further plans of natural gas? 5. Which measure of center tendency make the gas supplier use the advantage its price explain? 6. Which measure of central tendency should competitor use the discourage customer from using that natural gas supplier? Explain. Practice and application. 7. Entertainment. Both bar graph show the percent of viewers that watch network television. Which graph makes it appear that the number of viewers is decreasing rapidly? Explain. 8. Utilities. The line graph show the month's electric bill for the condominiums that Toshik is interested in renting. Why is the graph misleading? Geography. For exercise 9 to 11, use the table at the right. 9. Find the mean, mode, and median of the data. 10. Which measure of center tendency will be misleading in describing the shape of the island? Explain. 11. Which measure will most accurately describe the data? Test for exercise 12 and 30. Use b.inggris goal. Test score shown in the line plot. 11. Which measure of central tendency make us to emphasize the high score? 13. Will this number be misleading? Explain. 14. Critical thinking. Do volume that are most greater or most less than the other volume afford the median of a set of data. Give an example to support your answer. Spiral review with standardized text practice. 15. Multiple scores. The table below show the population of Dian counties in Arizona from the 2000 census. Which measure of central tendency, if any, is misleading in representing the data? A. Mode, B. Mean, C. Median, D. None of them. 16. So respond describing one why then a graph could be misleading. 17. Skating describe what the height of the fourth bar in the graph represent. 18. Make a box and whisker plot of the following data. 12. 15, 20, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 17, 16, 16, 18, 15. Movies for exercise 19 and 20. Use the movies tickets price below. $7.15, $6.15, $7.15, $18, $18.15, $7. 19. Find the median and mode road to the nearest tens if necessary. 20. Find the rank of the data. Complete lesson 1 to 8. 21. 8.5 G equal mg. 22. 15 cm equal mm. 23. 643 mg equal g. 24. 5,375 ml equal L. Study guide and review. Vocabulary and concept check. Bar graph, books and whisker plot, cluster, data, frequency table, histogram, interquartile, rank, interval, left, line graph, line plot, lower extreme, lower quartile, mean, measure of center, tendency, medial, mode, Euler, Rager, scatter plot, statistics, stem and left plot, upper extreme, upper quartile. Stat whether a sentence is true or false. It false replace the underlined word to make a true sentence. 1. The right is the difference between the greatest and the least values in a set of data. 2. The mode divides a set of data in half. 3. A graph then use bar to make comparison is a bar graph. 4. A scatter plot shows two sets of balanced data on the same graph. 5. The median is a data volume that is squared, separating for the rest of the data. 6. The mean is the arithmetic average of a set of data. 7. The number of items that appear most often in a set of data is the mode. 8. The lower quality is the main number in a set of data when the data are arranged in numerical order. Listen exercise and example. Frequency table. Make a frequency table of each set of data. 9. Hour of sleep per night. 10. Favorite sport. Example, make a frequency table of the data at the right. Age of pet, interval 4, scale 0 to 11. Making prediction. 11. Entertainment. The graph shows the attendance at the theme park. If the trend continues, predicts the attendance in 2005. Example 2. Sport. The graph shows the 400 meter winning times in the Summer Olympics. Predicts the winning time in 2004. By extending the graph, it appears that the winning time in 2004 will be about 42.1 seconds. Line plot. Make a line plot for each set of data in the TV, any scatter, gap, or outlier. Example, make a line plot for the data set 72, 75, 73, 72, 74, 68, 73, 74, 74, 75, and 73. In the activity, any scatter, graph, or outlier. Mean, median, and mode. Find the mean, median, and mode for each set of the data. Example 4. Find the mean, median, and mode for the data set 23, 22, 19, 19, and 20. Mean 23, add 22, add 19, add 19, add 20, divide 5 or 20.6. Median 20, mode 19. Stem and left plot. Make a stem and left plot for each set of the data. Example 5. Make a stem and left plot for the data set 12, 15, 17, 20, 22, 22, 23, 25, 27, and 45. The tens digital form the stem and the ones digital form the leaves. Books and whisker plot. Grades for exercise 24 to 27 with the following match the score. 24. Find the lower extreme, LG, median, Yuki, and upper extreme. 25. Determine the interquartile rank. 26. Identify any outlier. 27. Draw a box and whisker plot of the data. Example 6. Make a box and whisker. Plot of the data. Set 12, 12, 30, 40, 40, 19, 19, 90, 60, 60, 70, 90, and 20. Power extreme equal 12, power extreme equal 20, median equal 15, LG equal 30.5, Yuki equal 60.5. Bar graph and histogram. For exercise 28 and 29, refer to the graph at the right. 28. How many students are 15 to 59? Exchange style. 29. How many students are at least 16 in case style? Example 7. The graph shows the height to the nearest inch of student in a classroom. Is this a bar graph or a histogram? Explain. This is a histogram because it shows the number of students having the height described by years interval. Misleading statistic. 30. Sales. The graph below shows the monthly CD sales at the music bar. Why is the graph misleading? Example 8. The graph shows the pound of aluminum costs then student recycling. Why is this graph misleading? The vertical scale does not have equal intervals. It has interval of 215. Chapter 2. Practice text, vocabulary, and concept. 1. Explain how the rank is different from the mean, median, and mode. 2. Describe how quartiles support a set of data. Skill and application. Test for exercise 3 to 5. Use the French test grade shown below. 95, 76, 82, 19, 83, 76, 79, 82, 95, 85, 93, 81, 63. 3. Make a frequency table of the data. 4. Make a line plot of the data. 5. Identify any cluster, gaps, or outlier. 6. Experiment. The line graph shows the percent of women who had job outside the home from 1975 to 2000. Use the graph to predict the percent of women who will have job outside the home in 2005. Find the mean, median, and mode for X set of data around to the layers, then if necessary. 7, 4, 6, 11, 7, 4, 11, 7. 8, 12.4, 70.9, 60.5, 10.2. Make a stem and leaf plot for a set of data. 9, 37, 59, 26, 42, 57, 53, 51, 58, 10, 4061, 4022, 4030, 4025, 4025, 4067, 4029. Allowances for exercise 11 and 12 use the monthly allowances below. $25, $32, $40, $10, $18, $15, $30, $40, $25, $36, $20. 11. Find the lower extreme, LG, median, equally, and upper extreme. 12. Make a box and with score plot of the data. 30. Select the line graph sold ship sales at Morfits Marina in thousands of dollars. Which is the graph misleading? 40. Make a histogram for the prince test graders gift for exercise 3 to 5. Standardized test practice. 15. Multiple choice. Choose the statement that is not correct. A. The bar on a histogram represents the frequency of data in interval. B. The bar on a bar graph represents the number of data items in each interval. C. The bar on a bar graph have a space between them. D. There is no space between the bar on a histogram. Chapter 2. Standardized text practice. Part 1. Multiple choice. Record your answer on the answer sheet provided by your teacher or on a sheet of paper. 1. Which is greater than 6.8? A. 6.8. B. 6.79. C. 6.18. D. 6.9. 2. What is the volume of the expression? 5. Add 2 times 4 to less 9. V. 4. G. 19. H. 28. E. 103. Which is 430,000 written in scientific notation. A. 4.3 times 10 5. B. 4.3 times 10 6. C. 43 times 10 5. D. 43 times 10 6. 4. The line graph shows a baby length during the first 8 months. If the patterns of growth continue, predicts the baby length are 9 months old. V. 26 in. G. 27 in. H. 28 in. E. 29 in. 5. The line plot shows the number of minutes in different students spent on homework last night. What is the rank of the data? A. 20. B. 25. C. 30. D. 40. 6. The table shows the length of the phone call made in one household on a given day. What is the median? V. 2 mean, G. 6 mean, E. 7 mean, E. 8 mean. 7. The steam and left plot show the average monthly temperature in one city for a year. What is the month? A. 42, B. 55, C. 65, D. 78. 8. The box and whisker plot below summarizes the ages of Layla's cousin, which statement is not true. B. 140 of Layla's cousins are between 10 and 16 years old. E. Half of Layla's cousins are between 16 and 21 years old. The rank of ages is 18 years. E. Half of Layla's cousins are older than 21. Part 2. So respond greet in. Record your answer and the answer sheet. Profit by your teacher or on a sheet of paper. 9. What is the volume of 40 at x 2 if x equal 3? 10. Find the missing number in the sequence below. 24.7, 25.0, 25.6, 25.9. 11. The frequency table summarizes the number of meals dinner run daily to try for a rate. What interval show the number of meals that he ran most frequently? 12. If the number 80 was taken of the number that set 7, 18, 46, 24, 2, 44, 31, 11, while the median or the mean gain the most. 13. What is the upper extreme of the books and whisker plot below? 14. The graph below shows the sales of compass discs during a 5-day sale. How many more compass discs were sold on Saturday than on Wednesday? Question 15. Make sure you have answered every part of an open-ended equation. If you find that you cannot answer the equation, do as much as you can because you might aim partial credit. Part 3. Extended responses. Record your answer on a sheet of paper so your word. 15. The table shows how the volume of a painting increases over the year. A. Make a line graph of the data. B. Use the graph to predict what the volume of the painting will be in 2010. 16. Dominic had swimming practice before school 1 week and after school the following week. Her test results are in the table below. Lesson 2 to 7. A. Make a double line graph of the data. Let the x-axis represent the dice and let the y-axis represent the times. Title the graph and label each part. B. Write a sentence comparing the data.
Baiklah, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.